Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model in which individuals or businesses, known as affiliates, promote products or services of other companies in exchange for a commission on successful referrals or sales. It is a popular method for businesses to expand their reach and increase sales while providing opportunities for individuals to earn passive income. Here's a detailed breakdown of affiliate marketing. Participants. Merchant advertiser. The company or business that owns the product or service being promoted. They establish an affiliate program to attract affiliates and manage the overall process. Affiliate publisher. The individual or entity that promotes the merchant's products or services on their platforms, such as a website, blog, social media, or email list, to drive traffic and generate sales. Customer, consumer. The person who clicks on the affiliate's promotional content, visits the merchant's website, and makes a purchase. Affiliate networks. Affiliate networks act as intermediaries between merchants and affiliates. They provide a platform where merchants can list their affiliate programs and affiliates can find suitable products or services to promote. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, CJ, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Affiliate links and tracking. When an affiliate joins a program, they receive a unique affiliate link or URL that contains a tracking code. This code helps identify the affiliate responsible for generating a sale or referral. Affiliates incorporate these links into their promotional content, e.g., blog posts, banners, social media posts. When a user clicks on an affiliate link, the tracking code is stored in a cookie or session on the user's device, enabling the affiliate program to track conversions and attribute them to the appropriate affiliate. Commission structure. Merchants define the commission structure for their affiliate program. Commissions can be a percentage of the sale amount, e.g., 10% of each sale, a fixed amount per sale, e.g., $5 per sale, or a combination of both. Additionally, merchants may offer different commission rates for different products or have tiered commission structures based on performance. Performance measurement. Affiliate programs track various performance metrics to assess the effectiveness of affiliates and optimize their marketing efforts. Common metrics include the number of clicks, leads, sales, conversion rate, average order value, AOV, and return on investment, ROI. Merchants provide affiliates with access to performance reports and dashboards to monitor their progress and earnings. Payment. Affiliate commissions are typically paid on a predetermined schedule, such as monthly or quarterly. Payments can be made through various methods, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, or via the affiliate network. Some affiliate programs may have a minimum earnings threshold that must be met before payments are released. Compliance and disclosure. Affiliates are required to adhere to legal and ethical guidelines when promoting affiliate products or services. In many countries, affiliates must disclose their relationship with the merchant and make it clear that they will receive a commission for referrals or sales. Failure to disclose this information can lead to penalties or legal issues. Affiliate marketing offers several benefits for all parties involved. Merchants can leverage the marketing efforts of a diverse group of affiliates, expanding their customer base and increasing sales. Affiliates have the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in, without the need to create their own products. Finally, consumers benefit from access to valuable information and recommendations from trusted sources. It's worth noting that while affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture, it requires effort and strategic planning to be successful. Affiliates need to build a targeted audience, create compelling content, and optimize their promotional strategies to drive traffic and conversions.